Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Prescription. While investing in any product, if you know how much risk you are taking and how much return you will get, then you can take proper decision. In this video, I will discuss how much return you may get from LIC Bima Jyoti policy having table number 860 so that proper decision can be taken. Bima Jyoti is a guaranteed return policy. Life coverage is 125% of sum assured. Suppose sum assured is 2 lakh, then death benefit will be 125% of 2 lakh means 2.5 lakh. Guaranteed addition of rupees 50 per thousand sum assured is added every year. Means for 2 lakh sum assured policy, rupees 10,000 will be added every year. It is limited pay policy. Suppose policy period is 20 year, then premium payment term is less than 20 and here it is 15 year. Suppose policy period is 15 year, then premium payment term is 10 year. Now let us calculate return with few examples. I am taking two cases where one insured person age is 35 year and second insured person age is 50 year. Sum assured is 2 lakh. So life cover would be 2.5 lakh. Policy period is 20 year. Premium payment term is 15 year. First and second year onward, premiums are like this. At maturity, insured person will get 2 lakh as sum assured, 2 lakh guaranteed addition and total maturity will be 4 lakh. Now let us calculate percentage return in case of first insured person. Here I will use compound interest equation. FV equals to PV into 1 plus R raised to N, where FV is future value, PV is present value, R is rate of return, N is number of years. So the first year premium 17.7 thousand will be invested for next 20 years and R is unknown. Second year premium 17.3 thousand will be invested for next 19 years. Likewise, summing all premiums will be maturity amount, that is 4 lakh. By solving this equation, return comes to 3.25%. And for second insured person, return comes to 2.48%. You can calculate return by IRR method using Excel sheet and it is very easy. So after 15 years of premium payment and staying invested for 20 years, return will be around bank saving rate. This is what LIC tells us Zindagi Ke Saath P. In India, inflation is rising by 6% as per government figures. If this inflation trend remains same for next 20 years, then we can calculate present value of 4 lakh which policy holder will get in future. Again using compound interest equation, 4 lakh is future value, initial investment or present value which is unknown, R is inflation rate which is 6% and N is 20 years. Here present value comes to 1.25 lakh. So even though policy maturity amount is rupees 4 lakh, that 4 lakh will have value of today's 1.25 lakh after 20 years. Suppose unfortunate event happens after 10 years of policy, then nominee will get 2.5 lakh death benefit plus 1 lakh guaranteed addition, and for that amount return comes to 12.41% and 10.57% for both persons respectively, and its present value as per 6% inflation is 1.95 lakh. This is what LIC tells Zindagi Ke Baad Bhi. Suppose unfortunate event happens after 15 years of policy, then nominee will get 2.5 lakh death benefit plus 1.5 lakh guaranteed addition, and for that amount return comes to 5.19% and 3.59% for both persons respectively, and its present value as per 6% inflation is 1.67 lakh. This policy will not serve you Zindagi Ke Saath Bhi or Zindagi Ke Baad Bhi, and it is suitable for none. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel and you can post your query or suggestion in the comment or contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you.